has achieved many firsts with the cranes it has produced, has become a pioneer in the sector with the production of knuckle boom cranes, telescopic boom cranes, and tree transplanter machines in Turkey. The products designed with advanced engineering and original designs produced as a synthesis of the experience gained over 30 years and the latest technology. Cranes are used in horizontal and vertical loading and lifting operations all over the world. Tree transplanter machines carry out the tree transportation process by providing the most significant contribution to the environment. We develop our products according to quality standards and customer demands as determinants of the market. Our company, which has a faster, higher quality, more efficient production and service understanding, attaches great importance to R&D, innovation, and software studies as a requirement of the principle of continuous improvement in production, and differentiates itself from its competitors in the sector. Our company, which offers products for the defense industry as well as products for civilian use, produces missile handling and loading cranes, explosive ordnance disposal robot, high level of mine and ballistic protected recovery cranes for our Turkish armed forces. MPG will continue to manufacture strategic and technological products with high added value for the upcoming periods. MPG is a Barra holding company.